In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPad not downloading apps. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If your iPad is having trouble and not downloading apps, here's how you can fix it in just a few steps. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection. To do this, open up Safari and search for literally anything. And if it does load, that means your Wi-Fi is working. If it doesn't load, that means it's not working. If it is not working, begin by resetting your Wi-Fi or checking your router. From here, go ahead and open up your settings app and tap on General down below and find the section that says iPad storage and open it up. Make sure you have at least a few gigabytes of free space. If your storage is too full, delete unused apps, photos, or videos to clear up some room. Then, while you're still in General, back out of the section and go into the Software Update tab. And if an update is available, whether it's iPad OS 18, 26, or later, install it. Outdated software can often stop apps from downloading properly. If none of this does work though, go ahead and try a force restart. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold that power button on your iPad until the screen does go black. Keep holding it until the Apple logo does reappear. That means your iPad is restarting. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any data or anything. It just gives it a quick little refresh. Once it's back on, go ahead and head into the App Store and try downloading again. In most cases, it's going to work perfectly now. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Peace.